Hello students, Devashish again from Dev's Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub, and the same name Dev's Learning Hub, my Facebook page too. Okay, today our focus is solving questions from Board Exam 2023 of CBSE class 10. So what are the type of questions we are going to solve today? Only our focus is trigonometry for today, MCQ and very short answer type questions. CBSE has various set of questions for the same year board exam. So we'll touch upon the questions of multiple set of question papers. So you can solve this problem in two ways. One way is dividing both numerator and denominator with cos A and put the value of tan A from here. 2 tan A equals to 3, that means tan A equals to 3 by 2. That's how we can do that. Or you find out, you convert this 2 tan A into sin A cos A, that means 2 sin A equals to 3 cos A, and then replace the value of 3 cos A with 2 sin A. So that is what the second approach I have taken here. 2 tan A equals to 3, 2 sin A by cos A equals to 3, that means 2 sin A equals to 3 cos A, and then I am replacing the value of 3 cos A with 2 sin A. So just add it and subtract it in the numerator and denominator, and that is 3. So answer is 6C. Okay, our next problem is number 9. 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree minus sec square 45 degree plus sin square 60 degree is equal to, out of these 4 ABCD, you need to find out the answer. Simple. So tan square 30 means tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3, tan square 30 means 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 4. Minus sec square 45, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, that means sec 45 is root 2. So root 2 square means 2. So 1 by 4 minus 2 plus sin 60 means root 3 by 2. So sin square 60 degree means 3 by 4. So that is 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 4. So this is what? 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree minus sec square 45 degree plus sin square 60 degree. I have put all the values here, and then the answer is minus 1. So it is 9A. 9A is the answer, this one. So now we'll do couple of very short answer type questions, right? So question number 23. Question number 23, what it is saying, if sin theta equals plus cos theta equals to root 3, then find the value of sin theta cos theta. You don't need to write, just think about the problem. You can do it straight away verbally, right? So sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 3, and you are supposed to find out sin theta cos theta. That means you just square both sides. If you square both sides, then there is no change in the equation, right? So sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 3 means sin theta plus cos theta whole square equals to 3. So sin square, now a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equals to 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equals to 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 2, that means sin theta cos theta equals to 1. So sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 3, you are making square both sides. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square equals to 3. Then you break it into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 3. And put the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 3. Sin theta cos theta equals to 3 minus 1, 2. So sin theta cos theta equals to 1. That is what the answer. Now the next problem, 23b. If sin alpha equals to 1 by root 2 and cot beta equals to root 3, then find the value of cosec alpha, cosec beta. So sin alpha equals to 1 by root 2, that means sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, that means alpha equals to 45 degree, right? And then cot beta equals to root 3, that means tan beta equals to 1 by root 3. So tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3, that means beta equals to 30 degree. That means alpha 45 degree, beta 30 degree. Then straight away put the values. So as I said, sin alpha equals to 1 by root 2, that means sin 45 degree, so alpha equals to 45 degree. Cot beta equals to root 3, that means tan beta equals to 1 by root 3, that is equals to tan 30 degree, so beta equals to 30 degree, right? So here alpha is 45 degree, beta is 30 degree. You replace these values here. Cosec alpha plus cosec beta, that means cosec 45 degree plus cosec beta 30 degree, cosec 30 degrees. Cosec 45 degree means reciprocal of sine 45 degree, that is root 2, plus cosec 30 degree means reciprocal of sine 30, that is equals to 2. So root 2 plus 2, this is the answer. So repeatedly what I say, you look into the problem, you think once and then you start the problem, right? So if you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to have this kind of video again and again, both the lecture session where you will clear up your funda and then the problem solving either from books or from the board exam question papers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub and also follow my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Thank you very much.